for the festive season. Like maybe start this off in mid-October to November. So like I said, it gives a good time for the spices to blend along with the dry fruits mixer. So this year we are planning to do almost 500 cakes for our diners, our customers, and some gifts and all these things. Hopefully we will see you this winter time. I would say by December, mid-December, we will see you, and we will wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. And hope this festive season brings you good luck and prosperity. Thank you all.